it's Neil. Welcome to my family room. Today I've got the Poppyo collagen eye treatments. So want to check out these things here. It's got some instructions on how to use it here in the back a little bit. You can see that. But basically the idea is you clean your face, apply the mask, and wait 15 to 20 minutes. So I opened one up here, and you can see this is what it looks like on the front, and this is what it looks like in the back here. And so I probably need to do this without my glasses. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works because, okay, so what this is, what it tries to do is it gets rid of the bags under your eyes, so it gets rid of the dark spots. And I've used these before, so you can see I've got my last one of my last package, and then there's a whole new brand new package that I haven't really opened up yet, but I don't really need to open it because this is the same thing that's inside. So it's kind of an unboxing, but it's already a box because I already unboxed them before. But that was probably way too much information, but whatever. Okay, so here we go. So these are the things. So I'm gonna show you what these things look like and all. So it's like a little gooey, you see a little gooey thing. And so I'm gonna try to use my phone as my mirror. So the idea is you go like this, put it on, and that's kind of it. So let's see, so there's one side, and it kind of sticks on. You can see I can put my face down and all, and no problem because it sticks on there. But yeah, see, it comes out of this little pouch like this, and it's like gooey and wet, and it's in a wet stuff. So it's all wet and blah, blah. It's like gooey jelly. I almost want to taste it and see what it tastes like, but probably would kill me. So there, and then there's that side there. So I put those on like so, and I mean, I can't say I'm the best at putting these things on, and I can't see what I'm doing because I don't have my glasses on, but I guess I did okay. So, okay, so there, now they're on, and now you leave it sitting, and it kind of feels a slight little burny kind of stuff. I feel like it's like doing something, like tightening the stuff maybe, but it's doing something on there, but there's no real information on here. But it says to leave it on for like 15 or 20 minutes, and then when I take it off, it feels good. And I've done these before, and you saw probably before I did it, I don't have huge bags under my eyes because I've been doing these. I mean, it comes in a pack of 30, and I would say I've been doing it, I do it like maybe twice a week or so, so I've been, not even that much, so I've been doing it for like 20 weeks or so. I've been doing it for a long time. And actually I gave some to my mom, so she was doing some too. And it's kind of fun. We would send each other pictures of us with these things on. I'm gonna see, and then I just kind of sit here for like 15 minutes. So right now, 3:20, so I'm gonna wait till 3:35. And so if you really wanna sit here and watch me do this, I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, I'm back, and so doing these. So I'm gonna take them off, and let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna let you decide. So here we go, peels off. It was starting to burn a little bit, I mean, it just feels like it's working. So I'm gonna take these off, and this is what I look like. So don't, my eyes look beautiful. But I mean, you can pick and choose and see what you think as far as this is the after. I mean, it doesn't really leave, I mean, it's a little cold now because that thing was wet, but it doesn't really leave any gooey stuff or anything. I mean, it was kind of gooey taking it out of the package, but it's all dried up now as far as the package goes. But it was kind of like wet inside, but now it's kind of dried up. So it doesn't really leave much residue or anything like that. And whatever it is now, it's not like it's one of those, like a super glue kind of thing where it glues it and makes it, you know, until it wipes off. This is really getting in there, and if I wash my face or whatever, it's gonna still be the same because I've been using these things. And I like it. I think it looks good. I think I look better than I did before. Well, I guess you guys can decide. I'll try to put me sideways here and then my before and after. But that's it. And it's the Poppyo collagen eye mask. And I mean, they give you these gold goos to put on, to do. They're definitely, I mean, I guess you can, I don't think you could really reuse them. I guess you could probably save whatever wetness was in here and stick them back in there and try to get a second use out of them, but I don't think so. I don't know. It seems kind of gross to me. Because the Poppyo Collagen eye treatment gold little gooeys. I like them. I think, you know, I've been using them for a while, so thumbs up from me. Thank you for watching. Be sure and subscribe and like, whichever direction is what. And, you know, make sure you're following me so you can see what other interesting videos I might post.